Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur Canal Austral, bienvenue aussi dans l'émission Zigzag, Zigzag, l'émission culturelle de la chaîne Canal Austral à travers l'océan Indien, que ce soit à La Réunion, Maurice, Madagascar, Mayotte, Comores, Seychelles et l'île Rodrigue, surtout, qui nous regarde là-bas. Aujourd'hui, on a une émission culturelle un petit peu spéciale puisque j'ai le plaisir de recevoir ici même un Swami, oui, un Swami de la religion tamoule, et il est avec nous. Good morning and good night, Swami.
Hariom. Good evening.
Hariom. Hariom. What is your name?
Swami Sureshanandaji.
Okay.
I am coming from Chinmaya Mission,
Yes.
Saint Susan.
Okay. And you come from India. You live India generally.
Yeah.
Yes.
I was in Chennai.
Yeah.
Now, 5 months before only I came to Reunion.
You stay in Reunion Island for
Yes.
whole day or just one moment?
I am going around
Okay.
all over Reunion. Yeah.
Okay. I'm very happy to host of you in this program in Canal Austral because it's very important to people learn and look with TV, know what is this Indian religion. What is your role in the Hindu religion?
In this world, many religions are there, but Hindu religion is very old religion.
Yes.
In Hindu religion, there are two parts.
Two parts.
One is rituals.
Yes.
Second is spirituals.
Ritual, spiritual.
Yes. Rituals do like this. You have to live like this. If you do this one, you can get that one. All action-oriented portion.
Okay.
All action-oriented portions are called by rituals. Another is, second part is spirituals.
Yes.
Only knowledge. Gita, Upanishad, Brahma Sutra. What is our goal of life?
Okay.
In Hinduism, each and everybody's goal of life is merging with God. Reach the God is goal of life.
Okay.
So, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, Brahma Sutra, all the knowledge oriented lessons teaching how to reach the God. This is spiritual.
Spiritual.
Yeah. We need both in our life.
Okay. But a lot of people in Reunion Island know only tradition. Yes, but not cultural. Spiritual. Spiritual. A lot of people in Reunion Island, Hindu, in Reunion Island, make a lot of ritual. For example, the Tamil in Reunion Island don't eat beef. Why? Religion or spiritual? Tradition or spiritual?
Tradition, ritual.
Tradition, yes.
Yeah, in our Veda.
Yes,
In
Veda.
Hinduism, 4 Vedas are there.
Okay.
Rik, Yajur, Sama, Atharvana Veda.
Okay.
In the Veda, somewhere, some else, there is indicating if you offer the coat or something, Bhagavan will give something.
Yes.
There is a very small portion. So they are taking that portion, following here in Reunion. Actually, in Reunion or all over the world, whoever, wherever following the rituals,
Yes.
each and every ritual has some meanings.
Okay.
Each and every ritual have some meaning.
Yes.
Example, in our Reunion, there are taking Kavadi.
Yes. Kavadi. Yes.
Kavadi, walk on fire, celebrating Shivaratri. Like this, each and every ritual have some meanings.
Okay.
But when we follow the ritual, we have to remain the secret philosophy. Behind the ritual, some philosophy is there. We have to remind it.
Okay.
But that is missing in our Reunion. Yeah.
Okay. A lot of people in Reunion Island only ritual and not spiritual. What do you do for the people live in Reunion Island?
Okay. Because if you want to know the knowledge, if you want to enter into the spiritual, you need some merits.
Yes.
If you have some merits, after that only you can enter into the spirituality.
Okay.
Up to that, you have to follow the rituals.
Yes.
So people need more and more merits.
Yes.
Then only they can enter into the spirituality. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye yatatam siddhanam kaschinmam veti tatvataham. What is the meaning of this sloka? Bhagavan Krishna says, out of thousands, one person will enter into the spirituality.
Okay. Okay.
Out of 1,000 people, only one reach me. This is the meaning of this sloka. So enter into the spirituality is not easy.
Yes.
We had lot of merits.
Okay. Spirituality is more important.
Yes, ritual.
Ritual, yes,
Spiritual
yes.
is more important.
More important
than
yes,
rituals,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. In Réunion Island, people, one people on 3 people in Hindu. A lot of
Oh.
people like ritual. Why? Because not school for Tamil in Réunion Island.
Oh, nice question.
Yes.
Actually, if anybody here to teach
Yes.
knowledge,
Yes.
slowly they can get knowledge.
Okay.
Then they will do ritual and spiritual also. But in reunion, I think very few are here to teach the Bhagavad
Okay.
Gita, Upanishad,
Yes,
Brahma
yes,
Sutra
yes, yes.
in knowledge side. But temple is everywhere.
Yes.
So they can go easily to temple. But getting knowledge difficult.
Okay.
So
Okay.
slowly we can.
Yeah. Spirituality is not only learn in the books. You can make spirituality with guitar, with music.
No, in spirituality, only 3 points. In spirituality, only 3 points. Shravana, listening.
Écouter.
Mananam, contemplating.
Okay.
Recall.
Réfléchir.
Then Nidityasanam, we have to follow.
Vivre.
Yeah.
Okay.
Listening,
Ouais.
thinking,
Et vivre.
Following.
Ouais.
These 3
Écouter,
things.
réfléchir et vivre.
Ah,
Et suivre.
oui.
Suivre. Hein, suivre. Hein.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You can do guitar.
Yes.
You can do tabela. You can dance.
Yes.
No mistake in spirituality.
Okay. Okay.
But
okay.
in spirituality, there is no this type of things.
Okay.
This type of musical things only in ritual.
Yes. Yes.
How to make instrument, how to do the instrument, musical instrument.
Okay.
It is in Sama Veda.
Yes.
Rik, Yajur, Sama, Atharvana. In Sama Veda, full and full musics.
Ah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
if you want to know new ragas,
Okay.
new talas, all are in Samaveda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I have a question for you. In Hindu religion, there are a lot of God. Yes. Vishnu, Brahma, and Shiva. Yes. People in Réunion Island like what God? Brahma,
Okay.
Shiva, or
Okay.
Vishnu?
For this question,
Yes.
I explain in 2 ways.
Yes.
In ritual, spiritual way and scientifical way. One is, first we can take it in scientifical way. In this world, NASA in America, they are telling the universe is growing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
There is no any end for this universe. Okay. But many plants are there in the universe, but we are one plant in earth. In earth, so many things are there, but only 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. 5 elements only.
Space, yes.
Only made of 5 elements only all the world. In 5 elements, what is the root is atom. Science are invented atom. Atom is atom.
Atomic.
Atom.
Yes.
Atom.
Yes.
Atom is one. If we break the atom,
Yes.
there are three energy:
Yes.
proton, neutron, electron. Okay,
Yes, okay.
three energy are there. Proton is Brahma,
Yes.
creating.
Okay.
Neutron, sustaining Vishnu.
Okay.
Electron, Shiva, destroying. So, Hinduism, not a fake, it is very scientifical religion, Hinduism.
Okay,
So
okay.
now only 200 years before only they invented atom, they break 100 years
Okay,
before only.
okay,
When we break atom, there are proton, neutron, electron, three
And
energy.
5 elements.
In-
Cinquième élément.
Five
Okay.
elements.
Yes.
Atom is basic.
Okay. Okay.
For five elements, atom is basic. When we break
What?
the
Yes.
atom,
Okay.
there are two energy:
Okay.
proton, neutron, electron.
Yes.
Proton is protecting.
Yes.
Neutron is sustaining. Sustaining means protecting.
Yes.
Electron destroying.
Yeah. Shiva.
We are using electronic items.
Okay.
All the electronic items spoil us.
Okay.
You know?
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Yes, I know. I know now. I don't know. But
Yeah.
before I don't know.
Yeah. Now, okay.
Okay.
So proton
Yes.
in Hinduism called Brahma.
Yes.
Brahma is creating the God,
Okay.
creator.
Yes.
Neutron, Vishnu, protecting
Protector.
God.
Yes.
Electron, Shiva, destroying God.
Destructeur.
Yeah,
Okay.
we are worshipping Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. We can see in a God aspect, we can see in a scientific aspect.
Okay.
Both are same. Then I come to the point.
Okay.
Why in Hinduism lot of lords,
Yes. Yes.
many gods are there.
Yes, yes. But why people, Hindu people, like Brahma or
Vishnu,
or
Shiva.
Shiva? Why?
Okay.
What is the better? Not better. Some. What is the best of?
Okay. For this question,
Yes.
we can go to kitchen in the morning.
Yes.
In India, not in reunion, in India, Amma will ask husband, what do you want? Husband said, I want dosa.
Yes.
Dosa. Children want, I want idli. Uncle want, I want vegetable dosa. The auntie asked, ghee roast. So dosa, idli, vegetable dosa and ghee roast.
Yes. Yes.
Name and form is differ, but basic, powder of rice, only one.
Okay.
Powder of rice is only one. We can make as a dosa, we can make as a idli, we can make as a vegetable dosa, we can make as a ghee roast. So source is one, name and form is difference.
Yes.
In Hinduism, maybe many gods, name and form is difference, source is same, because he, she, you, me, we are name and form difference.
Yes. Yes.
Anna, but within us, all of heart, there is only one God.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Godliness only one.
Only one. Get.
Only one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Name and form is difference.
Yes.
Like
Okay.
maybe many gods name and form,
Yes.
but source is one. But why this type of system in Hinduism? Because which form I like, I can choose. If I want beautiful one, I can select Muruga.
Yes.
If I want everybody renounce and sit quiet meditation, I can choose Shiva. If you want beautiful one, you can choose Vishnu, Krishna. Choice is yours. We have a choice. Whichever God you want, you can choose it.
Yeah. Okay.
But godliness only one.
Only one. Okay.
Name and form is
Ouais, ouais.
differs.
Un seul Dieu dans plusieurs formes différentes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm very happy because I understand now.
Oh,
yes,
we.
and I'm sure a lot of people look Canal Austral actually like this conversation because it's very happy to learn. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to me.
Thank you.
Let us continue.
Thank you.
Good evening. Bonjour.
Ok, merci beaucoup. Et nous, on se retrouve la prochaine fois dans une nouvelle émission Zigzag, une émission culturelle, bien entendu, sur Canal Austral. Et ne vous inquiétez pas, puisque tout ce qu'on a dit va être traduit, a été traduit en dessous. Et donc, vous pourrez comprendre aisément ce qu'on a dit, ce qui est maintenant la religion tamoule ici à La Réunion et dans le monde entier et surtout en Inde. Allez, à bientôt.